Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Got a handful of pocket knives to show you. Got this little jackknife here. It's a sharp stainless steel. I believe they sold these at Kmart back in the day. Custom crafted. It's got a match striker nail nick here. Got a DE diamond edge. This is an Imperial, I believe. Got the little, hey, that snaps pretty good. We got an Imperial right there. I like the plastic scale here. It's a nice little design. Got a little advertising knife. Another Imperial. And it looks like it's got some patent numbers there. And it's another Imperial. I'm just grabbing these from my drawer, so I don't even know what I'm getting here. So look like more patent numbers there, and Imperial, yep. Serpintine jack there. This I remember. I think this is a BMW. Yep, BMW Solingen. Got wood scales there. Sheep's foot and spay blades on this Stockman. Good snap. This one is it's trying to be a Victorinox German stainless steel, made in China. It's got a decent snap. And this is a pretty one. Two blades here. We got a Sabre, Japan 647. Pen knife there. I like that jigging in there, that's cool. So I just thought I'd do a quick video and show a few pocket knives, and might do this from time to time. Thanks for watching. Bye.